Hello my super babies, welcome back to my channel. So today it's a nice bright sunny day which was really good because in the night it was pretty cold and in the morning feeling that heat for a little while too gives us a lot of peace and pleasure. So for breakfast my lovely neighbors sent us some really amazing breakfast, puri, bhaji, egg, chutney. This was so freaking tasty and we ate the bake. Like both of us ate the bake. I think I ate about 4 puris or 3 puris and Praveen ate about 5 puris. The breakfast filled us up so much that we skipped lunch because we didn't feel hungry at all. Meanwhile, I was editing a vlog. Meanwhile, I was preparing for dinner. So yes, all that was going on and let's begin with the day. Hey babies, I'm back. Took a nice hair bath. Did my Velaplex treatment, hair mask, a lot of natak. And yeah, finally waiting for it to dry. So before that I edited 2 vlogs, published one, another one and published it in the night. I have to publish two vlogs daily because it's pretty long, so I want to like break it. Praveen is gone for bath. Oh. I just made some food hot which we ate yesterday. That ka baki jo bhi tha, and whatever my neighbors gave, we did it for dinner. So I'll catch you later. So guys, now we are going to the city to buy something and I'll take you along. First we are going to Modi's because it's dying to go there from a long time. Right. So we did all our shopping guys and now we are having one more. Which one you took?
Hazelnut hot chocolate.
How's it? I'll go home and show you guys what all I bought.
Baby, she is my Betal. I am the Vikram.
So babies, just came home. He's back to work. I have to empty all that stuff what we bought and keep it in the fridge, the vegetables and everything. Boiling some water there, and we checked out a gym also. How was the gym, baby?
Very good.
Nice, no?
Yeah.
So we might go there from tomorrow.
No, decent.
It was decent gym. Just boiled some water and so babies, these are some Japanese cakes, caramel and peanut I guess, I'm not too sure. Then we bought these for our neighbors, again caramel and hazelnut. Then brownie, hazelnut brownie for Praveen. This is what I'm going to eat. That's chocolate stuffed donuts. This is what I assorted for the neighbors. These are some coconut macaroons, chocolate coconut macaroons. These are some sweets that my bestie gave me. This is banana walnut cake from Kerala. So I'm trying the chocolate stuffed donut for the first time. Oh no, it's all come out.
You because you warmed it, no, Babu. You shouldn't warm it like that. You should warm it just 10 seconds. That's it. 30 seconds warm, the chocolate will melt off, no? Don't showing yourself that you're from just right from the Ooty jungle. Oh, I need food.
Yummy. Baby?
No, I don't want.
Banana cake?
No, you take my banana. Take my banana.
So babies, I washed buttons and I arranged all the stuff she got in the fridge and outside, and hope I just remember where all I kept what. Then I made liquorized tea for myself, and now I'm going to make now I'm going to fry some papadam for Praveen, which my bestie got from MP. They're very tasty guys. So I'll see which one to open, or maybe both of them. So yeah. See, later Praveen is still working. Pati Parmeshwar watching Night Ka Bartan.
Night ka, even afternoon ka. Night ka bartan.
I mean, even
Morning
night
ka bartan, night ka bartan, afternoon ka bartan. Pati Parmeshwar only washing. Pati Parmeshwar doing other building place, other घर का काम also now. We'll take it in contract.
Evening also I watch. But thank you, baby. Hey babies, we got ready and now he's going to the gym while I accompany him. I'll be sitting in the car and editing a vlog while he gyms. I don't want to go to the gym actually because it's been years I've not joined a gym and I really don't want to join a gym here. So yeah. Okay now baby?
Okay.
So babies, I got done with editing one vlog and now I'm going to start with another vlog. Praveen is still in the gym only. So yeah, I'm excited to start with my other vlog. What happened to this suddenly? Yeah. So my hero has come. So he wanted to go to Modi's to have a hot chocolate. I said I'll take you to a better place for a hot chocolate. We are here. Go up baby. इस साइड से लेके ऊपर जगह है. Now go right. And go up.
They open up?
Yes, sir.
See?
Nice, okay, nice. Want an extra dish?
No. I can take a bite if you want, but
You want to take a veg nuggets or something?
no.
Chicken nuggets? And then let's come.
There's just one here, hazelnut hot chocolate.
I thought we should go there.
Huh? So babies, we had the hot chocolate, but I couldn't record it because we were on the call. He was on his work call. I was talking to his mom, so we were kind of busy. But we had the hot chocolate. Was it tasty?
Don't hit me. Yeah, it was tasty. It was good. It was better than the one that we had before.
I told
so much more richer. The quantity was more.
I think price-wise was lesser. I'm not
yeah,
too sure.
Yeah, but I think do visit Coco Pods when you are in OT for.
Yeah, the photos is good, but right now they do not have much.
And the best thing is the hot chocolate was hot.
Ah, that is
It's
one
piping
thing.
hot.
Yeah,
That's
that in
important.
modern store it was not, no?
No, it wasn't. It wasn't.
So now we ordered for peri peri fries. I know we shouldn't be eating all this, but
She's the queen of junk, and every day she'll say that I'll stop eating this and I'll get healthy food. And the first thing she orders is peri peri fries.
it's very tasty.
Very tasty, baby. Tasty, baby. It is very tasty. Chocolate, baby. It's thick.
The peri peri fries has come. So babies, we came back home. Then we realized that our car ka coolant is leaking, and we couldn't park also properly because there's very less space for a big car to get parked. Now baby is taking steam. How are you feeling?
Wow, so amazing.
And I oiled his hair. Now he'll go for bathing sometime. Pati Parmeshwar took a nice hair bath. And now he's gonna have lunch. Kept it ready. With some nice Banarasi papad and aloo papad. This is patiri which I'm gonna eat. This is what we are gonna share actually. See babies, my husband is washing the button so that I can dress up fast.
Every day I have to do that. Every day I have to.
See my bichara husband, what he is doing. Bichara. Are you tired? Chalo, I'm just dressing up. He's washing it so that I can dress up fatafat. So that we can go for a walk. This also baby. Okay babies, we are off for a climb, a walk. It's extremely cold. It's climbing after a really long time. Ooh, cool, no?
Yeah, baby, she's always climbing on me, but nowadays, for a change, she's climbing the hills.
That's very pathetic. It's cold, no?
No, it's kind of pleasant. Phati padi hai, but pleasant hai.
So finally we came here, which is about 2 kilometers. Baby, are you tired? Sky looks really beautiful. Whole day it was foggy. Now it's a little less foggy. Sky is really nice. So guys, we just came back home. Not now, about an hour or so, and we're just doing time pass. Eat some sweet stuff. You like climbing today, baby?
I like climbing always, baby.
Huh? What?
I like climbing, baby.
You like climbing?
Yeah, darling.
What do you like to climb?
If you were the mountain, I would climb you.
Okay, now we are going to make rajma. So I have to cook rajma, but I don't know how to use a pressure cooker. So he will
So
do it.
guys, whatever she says I'll do it, it means I am doing it. If she says I'll wash the utensils, it means I am doing it. If she says I will make the coffee, it means I am.
Baby, I'm making the
If she
coffee.
says I will warm the dishes, I am doing it.
No.
Whenever she says I am doing something, it'll be me.
No,
If she
baby.
makes rajma, I'll be putting the pressure cooker. Okay, guys.
क्या हुआ? हो गया? हाँ? ये साइड आना है? मैं करूँ 1 मिनट.
बंद करो नहीं सब.
So babies, the rajma has been boiled. I'm waiting for it to cool, then I'll open it. Meanwhile, I'm making it. And baby is relaxing, I guess. Hi, baby.
Wow.
He's nicely wrapped up the heater. Working, no?
Yes, baby, it's working, baby.
So babies, the rajma is ready. I'm trying to make rasam for the first time. I hope it's good. Fingers crossed. I used like this powder. I tried following these instructions. They haven't specified properly, but I've seen mom making it, so let's hope for the best. Babies, I just got done with rajma, jeera rice, and rasam. I hope it's tasty and I hope he likes it. Will you like it, baby?
Patiri nahi hai.
Rice I made, baby.
You're not eating patiri.
No.
Then?
Rice I made jeera rice.
Okay, you will also eat rice.
Yeah. So baby, this is the first time he's going to be eating my food after marriage. Like I've cooked for him. Yeah? Right? How is it? Tell honestly.
Okay, I'm eating it.
Tell.
I like the rajma and the rasam also.
Huh? Rasam? You like it?
Different rasam.
It's a different rasam. Nilgiri rasam.
It's a different rasam, but I like it.
Like it? So how's the rajma?
Rajma, it's nice. Different again, different.
Yeah, rajma is not like the hotel wala.
The different preparation. It's got onions and
Yeah.
I think because of that, there's slight sweetness in it. as
Yeah,
well.
because there's tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce, exactly.
Huh. Nice. Jeera rice. And there is papad which my bestie sent.
Yeah.
And her homemade mango pickle. Tasty?
Yeah.
Okay,
Good.
baby.
Good food.
Bichara is washing the buttons. So we're just having a little bit of Taiwanese liquor. He's feeling very cold, so this might keep him warm.
This is like port wine.
Like put wine.
Yeah, it's not even strong.
No, strong, I'll not have, no? I mean, I'll not keep with me.
Your husband is a strong person, so you need to be strong.
You just be strong enough to carry me.
No.
Please.
Nee.
So baby just cleaned a lot of buttons. Half Praveen did, half I did. Cleaned the kitchen a little bit. Did some jhadu. Now I'll drink nice hot water, do my mouth care, skin care and get back. So babies, I couldn't get back to you because I was so freaking tired. I just went off to sleep. In fact, both of us just went off to sleep. So babies, don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and don't forget to hit on that bell so that you get notified as soon as I publish a video. And do check us up on Instagram too. All the links will be in the description box. So see ya later. Bye.